Bal Bhavan was a concept of a social worker who is from a political background. First and foremost, she visited the Bal Bhavans of Snehalaya, which are run in the slums in Ahmednagar city. So she was very impressed by what they are doing for the children in the slums. Because after the children return from school, they don't know where to go and they don't know what to do. So the proper guideline or a proper direction is given by Bal Bhavan to them. And she saw many true stories, true success stories in these Bal Bhavans. So she thought, why not for my village? Why not for my town? And that was the idea behind starting a Bal Bhavan in Sonai. She started it at a place where originally many adults, especially men again, they were playing cards or they were consuming alcohol or something. So it was not a very good place. But when she started a Bal Bhavan there, naturally children from these people's homes are only going to come there. So naturally they should be leaving all these vices for their own children, isn't it? So this will be a very good and positive effect of a Bal Bhavan being in a slum area or in a area in the village where such bad things are going on. The first step towards a Bal Bhavan will be this, that these people will stop consuming alcohol and playing cards or doing some bad things there. Then only their children can come there and have a healthy life, isn't it? Healthy mental as well as physical life. So that was the first change which that lady saw when she started the Bal Bhavan there. Now she has already started it. Now the children will start coming there. They will learn some new things there apart from what they are learning from the school. They will learn some moral values, some social values will be put in them. This will go on, but the main process has already started when these bad things have stopped being done there and positive and good things have been started already in this Bal Bhavan. So that will be a major change for the Sonai town as a whole.